Welcome to Nytro SEO. Add your website address. Select the search engines and the regional extension you want to monitor. Add your target keyword search terms. You can cut and paste them or upload from a file. Keywords can be identified using any keyword research tool or Google's free keyword planner. Your website has been added. Processing stage appears in the top orange progress bar. The AI automation wizard is not mandatory, but it's recommended for creating better meta tags. Add business name locations if you are targeting specific geographies at target audience for focused meta tags. Copy the optimization snippet and add it to your website's header, either directly via the CMS editor or via dedicated plugins, just like you add the Google Analytics code and other snippets. Once the snippet is added, you can ask to verify its installation and get green notifications showing it has been activated. Adding the optimization snippet does not immediately affect changes to your website. You can turn it on, off, or pause the system at any time. Your website, pages, and keywords are being processed. You can see the status in the progress bar. Your tags are being generated and will gradually appear and change. Nytro runs complex analysis and AI computations. The time of the analysis, crawling, and optimization depends on the number of keywords and pages. Now that the process is completed, you can see the impact of the system by comparing to the original tags to the optimized ones. The differences are very noticeable. Original tags are deficient compared to Nytro's optimized meta tags. Keywords placed in the titles and descriptions are color-coded. Green color indicates that the keyword is highly relevant to the web page content and has high ranking potential. Meta tags creation is fully configurable. From the settings, you can specify the keywords to use in length. Green indicates higher content relevancy and ranking potential. The settings allow you to define the logic and structure of the tags by adding the relevant parameters to the rules. Different secondary rules can be defined for specific sets of pages, which means you can also only optimize a part of your web pages by still using some of the original tags. You have full control. You can view historical ranking for each keyword and/or view based on topics. Clusters search engines often change the positions of many of your keywords. Ranking volatility is very common. Nytro's unique AI adaptive algorithms identify these changes and implement corrective measures. You can view each keyword performance separately. See which pages it is assigned to its search engines, relevance, and how many times it actually appeared in search snippet views. The dashboard allows you to see the overall status of your pages, keywords, coverage, and search engine meta tags. Acceptance performance. This shows the effectiveness and relevancy of Nytro's generated meta tags and acceptance by search engines across your website. Nytro offers advanced user search intent optimization, aligning the meta tags with the intended search query objective of the user. The user's search intent can then be integrated into the meta tags for creating highly optimized and relevant search snippet views, increasing click-through rates and overall website performance. Nytro SEO automatically optimizes websites in 3 modes, creating meta tags with the most optimal keyword for each page marked in green.